Hello Eagle Targeters, welcome back to our channel, where we consistently deliver the latest and fastest updates in the field of current military affairs.
The USS John F. Kennedy, CV-67, the first U.S. Navy aircraft carrier named in honor of President John F. Kennedy, has commenced its final journey. Departing from the inactive ship's maintenance facility in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, the storied vessel is en route to Brownsville, Texas, where it will undergo the meticulous shipbreaking process, a dignified end for a ship steeped in history. Commissioned in the late 1960s, the USS John F. Kennedy was a powerhouse of American naval operations, serving as a conventionally powered aircraft carrier. Over its illustrious career, it ventured into the world's most strategic waters, including the seas of Asia, Europe, North Africa, and the Middle East. During its prime, the carrier played a critical role in securing airspace within the Mid-Atlantic region following the September 2001 attacks. As the leader of its battle group, it stood as a formidable guardian of U.S. national security. Its influence extended beyond U.S. borders, contributing to multinational efforts such as Operation Anaconda, Operation Enduring Freedom, and Operation Iraqi Freedom. After nearly 4 decades of unwavering service, the USS John F. Kennedy was decommissioned in 2007. This milestone marked the end of an era, as the carrier was the last conventionally powered vessel in the U.S. Navy's fleet. Its decommissioning symbolized the Navy's shift toward more advanced, nuclear-powered aircraft carriers, paving the way for a new chapter in maritime defense. Upon retirement, the USS Kennedy's fate took an uncertain turn. Initially earmarked for transformation into an armed forces memorial and museum, the project ultimately stalled due to the absence of a viable plan to preserve the aging vessel. The deteriorating condition of the ship further complicated efforts to secure its future as a public monument. As the USS John F. Kennedy embarks on its final voyage, it carries with it the memories of countless sailors who served aboard. Rear Admiral Bill Green, Director of Surface Ship Maintenance, Modernization, and Sustainment for the U.S. Navy, offered a heartfelt tribute to the ship and its crew. John F. Kennedy will always be remembered as a symbol of enduring freedom and a beacon of hope and peace during difficult times in our nation, Green remarked. The countless members of the ship's crew and all who sustained it during its life cycle should be proud of the exceptional work that kept the ship sailing and supporting our fleet for many years. Fair winds and following seas. The shipbreaking process awaiting the USS John F. Kennedy in Brownsville, Texas, represents more than the dismantling of a naval asset. It is a carefully managed procedure, ensuring the environmentally responsible disposal of the vessel while salvaging valuable materials. This process, though final, serves as a reminder of the ship's enduring legacy and the sacrifices made by those who served aboard. The USS John F. Kennedy's final journey marks the conclusion of an extraordinary chapter in the history of the U.S. Navy. From its role in pivotal military operations to its presence as a guardian of peace, the carrier exemplified resilience and commitment. Though the ship's physical form will soon fade, its legacy will live on in the memories of those who served and in the annals of American naval history. The USS John F. Kennedy remains a symbol of dedication, sacrifice, and the enduring spirit of freedom.
Thank you for watching. Hopefully, this show can broaden the knowledge for you and your family. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to help grow this channel even bigger.